Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Christmas gift guide of gifts under $50. I'm just gonna jump right into it. First thing that we have here is the Mario Badescu Facial Spray Trio. It comes with 3 bottles of the ever famous facial spray, and this one is available from Mecca and it is $22. Personally, I would love this as a gift because I am so into my facial sprays. I love spraying them before makeup, during makeup, after makeup, to have 3 different scents to choose from. It's pretty nice. You do get the classic facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water, and then you also get one with aloe, cucumber and green tea, and then one with aloe, chamomile and lavender. Next up we have some brushes from DB Cosmetics. Now these are their kaleidoscope brushes for $24.99. Wait till you see these. I'll have to show you close up. It does come with 6 brushes and they all have the beautiful pink and white ombre bristles. And then they have this beautiful fun kaleidoscope handle. These ones are 100% cruelty free and vegan if you're wondering. You may have seen me mention this before. This is an Olay gift pack. You can get it from Priceline. I have seen it at Woolworths as well. And it comes with this beautiful cosmetics bag. And it also comes with a night cream and a day cream. So this one is available for $35 and I thought it was just such a good buy considering the cosmetic case that it came with. It's such a beautiful shaped case and yeah, it's so nice. I think that this would be such a cute gift for Christmas, and who doesn't need a night cream or a new daily moisturizer as well. I have 2 little gift packs from Velvet Concepts. Now these ones are $29.95 each. So these are called the Petite Fours, and we have Cashmere Matte Liquid Lipstick and then Luxe Lip Glosses. These products are so amazing. I love the Velour Concept lip products, and you get to trial a few different colors. These are such a good buy at $29.95. Another lip product, this one is from Too Faced though. So this is the Sweet Smell of Christmas. This one is from Mecca and it comes with 4 of the full-size melted matte liquid lipsticks. So you get pumpkin spice, sugar cookie, cinnamon bear and hot buttered rum. So there's some awesome colors and you get to try out these 4 lipsticks for $36. Am I saying that right? $36. Wow. One is usually around $30. So that is amazing. Following up with another Too Faced product. This is the Sugar Cookie Eyeshadow Palette. This is adorable. Much like their chocolate bar palettes, this one is a tin palette. How cute is it? Oh my god, it smells so good. So this is perfect for like travel or if you're just starting out in makeup. This one is $38. I think the usual price of the full-size ones are around $70 if I'm not mistaken. Now I love the quality of the Too Faced palettes. They are so good. So I would expect nothing less from this one as well. Now it does come with mattes and shimmers. I think that you can create a whole heap of different looks with this one, especially that there's a dark color and then a really light color as well. That would work really well for multiple kind of looks, especially if you were traveling. You could definitely go from day to night with this. Real Techniques Grab and Go. Now I love Real Techniques brushes and these ones are so cute. My friend was actually telling me that she had something like this the other day and she loves it. So this one retails for $15. So you get the 2 little mini brushes which are so cute. Real Techniques brushes are synthetic and they are such good quality. So yeah, these ones are something that you can just have in your little purse. I think I'm actually gonna just put one in my purse right now. Some powders don't even come with a sponge, so this will be so handy to be able to touch up my makeup. It's so cute. Next up I have 2 more DB products. Now this is the Face Spa. This looks exactly like a Foreo. I did show a very more expensive face cleansing device in my luxury gift guide, but this one's $24.95. I can't believe it's so affordable. I will definitely have to try it out myself to see how it compares to using a Foreo, but I thought that I would mention it because it's something so affordable. It's a stocking filler even. If you know that someone wants to change up their skincare routine, and try it out without spending a fortune. Another little gift pack from DB Cosmetics. This 3-pack of hand creams is $9.95. Perfect stocking filler, or if you've got someone that you just want to get a little something for and don't want to spend too much money and it's something that they're going to use, more than likely they will use a hand cream. I don't know anyone that doesn't love hand cream, to be honest. So this one comes in 3 scents. We have Sweet Peach, Orange Popsicle and Pink Lemonade. I wanted to show these other brushes from Ulta 3. This one is $19.95 and you can pick it up from chemists, usually a terry white. Now it comes with the 5 brushes and I think that they look really, really nice. I love the fact that it comes in this gift packaging so you can see it straight away and just see how the brushes look. We have 2 face brushes and 3 eye brushes. We have a Savvy Icing on the Cake lip gloss set. This one is $12, available from Priceline. It has a whole range of lip glosses. This would be perfect for a whole different age range of people, even just young girls starting out with makeup, or even someone like myself who loves lip gloss. Next up, I have this little pack from Ofra Cosmetics. This is from Glam Raider. Now, they do have a few Christmas packs on their website, so I do recommend going and checking them out. They stock a whole heap of brands that we can now get here in Australia, like Ofra. This is the Staycation Winter Heatwave pack. It comes with a mini Pillow Talk highlighter, mini Treasure long-lasting liquid lipstick, and the micro makeup fixer. It's so cute. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna die. That is so beautiful. That's really perfect for someone with fair skin as well. And then little makeup fixer. And I think that this is the cutest liquid lipstick I've ever seen. It is so tiny and so cute. I love it. This one does retail for $27 on the Glam Raider website. Okay, only a few left. We have this Ulta 3 nail set. It comes with 5 neutral colors, and this one is only $10. Such a bargain, and they're such beautiful colors. I feel like if you have someone that really loves nail polish or is into a lot of neutral colors, this is a perfect stocking filler. Now this one's from Designer Brands, another little stocking filler or a little gift for someone. Enjoy a little me time bath kit. So it comes with some body lotion, some cleansing body wash, and a little loofah in a little mug. It's so cute. I love it. And lastly, we have a Napoleon Purtis cream eyeshadow kit. It comes with 3 cream eyeshadows, and this one is $49. They do have a whole range of little Christmas gifts at Priceline if you wanted to check them out. Nice and easy gifts. They'll have plenty in stock that you can choose from. I haven't actually tried these ones myself, but I think the packaging just looks so gorgeous. So that is it for my Christmas gift guide under $50. I hope that this has helped you find some little presents for whether it be a little token gift, a stocking filler, or something that you wanted to get for someone that you love. Merry Christmas, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!